In my project, I have the 20 AHUs, and each AHU, that thing I want to show with this different colors. Supply is a different color, return is a different color for each AHU. Let's say this is the AHU1. I want to represent with the different colors. Now I'm in the 3D view. Okay. If I go to the floor plan, I can see this kind of the text. Here, what I do, I will create filters to show the different colors to my duct. To create the filters, I will go to the visibility graphics in the which is available, the property, and here you can see the filters. In this filter, I want to create two filters. One is for the supply, another one is return for the AHU number 1. What I do, I will go to the filters here. Here again, I will go to edit and new. Observe carefully. What I do here, I will go to the new filter here. I will make as AHU -1 supply. Just name. I'm making okay. Then I will go to the category tab. In the category tab, what I choose, I will choose that accessories, that fittings, that insulation, that lining, okay, that systems, that, or else I will use only that and that fittings. I'm ignoring insulation. Okay, see that accessories, that fittings, and that. I'm not assigning anything to the air terminal, for example. Okay. Then I will go to the filter rules. The filter rules, what I do, I will select, okay, comments equal to, let's say, I'm going to write AHU1 -S. At this copy. Okay. Now I want to add this filter. Go to the add, select AH1.S. Okay. Here I can give the different colors to show the line. How I want to show the lines. How I want to show the fill patterns means nothing but hash patterns. Let's say I want to go with this solid hash with the color supply. Okay, I want to make it with the, let's say for the supply I want to use blue color. Here also solid, and I want to make it blue. Right? Okay, apply. Okay. But it's not updated here. To update here, we need to have one common connectivity. If you go to the visibility graphics in the filter, if I select the filter, edit type, here name of the filter is AHU-1-S. I created this filter for the duct, accessories, duct fittings, and ducts. What is the rule? In the comment column, we should place AHU-1-S. This is the rule. If you have the AHU-1-S in the comment column only, it will get updated. Okay. Now I'm selecting this duct. I want to select only one duct. I will go to the comment here. Okay, comments. I want to change my comment, whatever I given there. Okay. See, visibility graphics, filters. I give it this color. Okay. I want to switch off that insulation. Can you see? So earlier I not seen this because insulation is covered above the duct. That is the reason I switched up the insulation. Now what I'm doing, I'm selecting entire duct by using the tab key. I'm going to the comment. Here I will use same comment. Apply. See, now I got the color update. See, this duct is not selected. I'm going to select by tab, select it. I'm going to place the comment. Right? For this duct, tab, select, and give the comment. You have to practice carefully this one, right? Which I will go to the 3D view. See, now I am in the floor plan. I attach, okay, for all my ducts and all, comment. Okay, now I am going to this 3D view. Here I cannot see my colors. So why I cannot see is level 1 floor plan is one drawing, 3D is another drawing. Now I want to apply same colors whatever I created in the floor plan into the 3D drawing. Here also again I will go to the visibility graphics and the filters. I need to add this filter like this. It's a practical method. But what I do, I will go to the floor plan. Here I will create one view template. Okay, view template. Listen carefully. I will create one view template to copy standards from this view. To create the view template, I will go to the view. In the view, you can see the view template. We go inside, create template from current view. I hope everybody can understand by reading it. Create template from current view. Whatever I open the view, from this I am going to create one template. Just go to the create template. Let's say here I am going to give the, let's say, template name H1, for example. Make it and okay. Okay. Then I will go to the 3D view. In the properties, just if I read carefully, one by one, one by one, one by one, I come to the identity data. Here I can see the view templates. Okay, just go to the view template and inside choose the template whichever I created in the floor plan. H1. Make it apply. Okay. Now you can see whatever I created colors in the floor plan, I am getting in the 3D. Okay. In the same way, I will create one more filter for the return. Just go to the visibility graphics. Go to the filters and edit new. I want to duplicate from this only. Select it. Here you can see the options new and duplicate. Okay. Let's say I want to rename. Select it. Rename. This time I want to go with the return. Okay. So I'm creating same duct axis, fitting and ducts. And comment is equal to the return. Ah, okay. I want to add it. Go there, add the return. Right? For the return, I want to give the different colors. Already filled. If you give any kind of the patterns, color. Let's say for the return, I want to give the red color for easy identification. You can give the change the colors of the lines also. Okay, at the moment, I'm giving the red color for the return. Apply. Okay. I select entire duct with the help of tab key. Just to place the mouse, hit the tab key. 1, 2, like this. Okay, select it. Then in the comment, instead of the S, I'm going to give the R. You got the red color? Now I am going to the here. Again here I am not getting the red color. So here I created one view template, right? Again I will create one more view template just for understanding. Or else I can edit the same view template. That is a different thing. To edit the view template, okay, manage view template. Here I can go to the AHU1. Here in the visibility graphics, override visibility VG override model. Here I can go to the filters. Directly I can give the color. I can add this. Select here. Okay. Choose the solid color red. Solid. So now if you go
శానిటరీ
3D view, sorry,
అది శానిటరీలో వెళ్ళిపోయింది.
center look వెళ్ళిందా? Okay, sorry. Go to VG. Here visibility graphics. No, I given here. Okay, sorry. Clear override simple. Okay. See, now updated. See, but here we are not getting for the flexible ducts and for the diffusers. Why we are not getting is if you go to this filter, always after assigning the view templates, make it none. Okay. Go to the visibility graphics. In the filters, now I am going to this return, go to edit here. I have not chosen flexible duct. Can you see? Try to understand the concept. Flexible duct I have not chosen. If I added this flexible duct here, I will get for the flexible. I am going to the visibility graphics again, filters. This time I want to add the diffusers also. Diffuser means air terminal. Okay. So here we should careful about the categories. When you select the object, it will show the category here, like this. For the return, now everything is red. For the supply, I will go to this visibility graphics, filter, same thing. I will add the air terminal and flexible. Whichever you want, you have to add it. Same way. Here also you can see. Now what I do, I will create view template from this. I will assign. Automatically it will get updated. This is the way to show the different color identifications for the air conditioning system. See, now let's say if you see these colors, you can see this is from the H1. If you give the different colors, it's a different H. To identification where this HU supplying air to the spaces. Okay, just practice to place a diffuser, place a duct and connection between the diffuser and connection, and place the HU and connect it and go to the visibility graphics, create the filters. Filters are very important.